Are you looking for the best printer for Avery label? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. HP Envy 5055. HP Envy 5055 is the upgraded version of the HP Envy 4520 with enhanced features like better Bluetooth connectivity and improved Wi-Fi capabilities for wireless and remote printing. It is compatible with basic software and cloud-based apps like Microsoft Office, iCloud, Google Drive, and other social media platforms. Hence, you can print directly from a particular application or software because versatile connectivity for even a home printer should be part of its basic functions. The HP Envy 5055 has also improved printing speeds, making this a household favorite among users. The HP Envy 5055 can print media up 8 by 10 inches. This means that any letters, legal, and even envelopes can be easily printed out without a hitch. The striking color accuracy and vibrancy is unparalleled regardless of small or large the prints are. It shows up lively every time. Additionally, the HP Envy 5055 holds the capability to print, scan, and copy all from one petite printer, making all the basic tasks of document management within your reach. You can easily shift between each multiple tasks, thanks to its average printing speeds that make it a good home printer for Avery labels. Number 2. Canon Pixma TR4520. The Canon family tree is, without a doubt, fantastic at their functionalities. While one member of the family might not have a certain feature, you'll find it in a different member of a different generation, and you can take our word for it when we say, it's totally worth it. The key difference between the previous model and the Canon Pixma TR4520 is that this one has faxing functionalities besides the usual printing, scanning, and copying features. The former does not have this. Hence, if you are looking for a truly all-rounder printer with adept skills in making product labels, this is it. The Canon Pixma TR4520 can produce borderless photos of dimensions of up to 8.5 by 11 inches. While it is true for Canon Pixma TS6220 as well, there is one alarming difference that had us slightly disappointed in the Canon Pixma TR4520. The printing speeds are better on the former. This model should have definitely had better printing speeds, consider it is an all-in-one printer in every sense. However, it is an older model compared to the TS6220, and for an all-in-one printer that was released in late 2009, the TR4520 should definitely be given credit for its service. Number 3. HP OfficeJet 5255. The HP OfficeJet 5255 is a faster, improved, and more advanced rendition of its predecessor, making this printer a go-to option for printing labels for both homes and office spaces. Its petite build fits anywhere, ideally saving space and getting the most work done. It has improved connectivity across platforms. It comes equipped with Bluetooth Smart that allows you to print directly from your smartphones and tablets for faster prints. Besides, it has far better Wi-Fi capabilities that allow it to print seamlessly over a good internet connection. The most admirable feature of HP printers is the HP Smart app that allows remote printing, scanning, copying, and even faxing possible from the palm of your hands. It has features that let you directly download from cloud-based platforms and even do quick edits before printing out the real deal. The HP Instant Ink service is a smart addition to the printer's abilities for, if you subscribe for a very low cost per month or annually, it can detect low levels of ink and automatically order new refills for you. Hassle-free and cost-effective, the original HP ink cartridges are worth it for they produce vibrant colors. Number 4. HP OfficeJet Pro 8025. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 is, in our opinion, our favorite HP printers from a mix of very versatile collections of HP printers. It not only is a stunner in terms of appearance but is also a beast when it comes to performance. Moreover, it is built from recyclable plastics and electrical components, making it a sustainable design. It is 14% smaller than its predecessor, which makes it an ideal fit if you have a small working space. This is especially beneficial for those who have a small commercial business for which they need labels made to go along with their products. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 can be operated using voice controls. Thus, if you are a busy bee, you can rely on hands-free printing to get the job done in a blink of an eye. It is compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to get more done and significantly boost productivity. The printer has Wi-Fi healing properties, which basically means that it can detect network issues, stabilize connection, and resume printing on its own, allowing itself some time to breathe. With its strict security measures that are built in its core, cyber threats are less risky and keep it well protected from compromising security risks.